to see you again. Today I'm gonna restore the few pieces of leather on these Valentino shoes. These are toes, the big scuff on a heel wrap, and this piece too. Also I need to replace the top lifts and do something with this torn toes sole. So this is going to be a very quick job because I have only 3 hours and I don't have time to redo this job if I will fail it, so I need to work very quick, and accuracy must be about 200%. No, 300%, because I need to do with 3 hours. So I need to start this, and let's start. Alright, so the first steps are to remove the pins of the top lifts, if it's possible. If not, then just mask it with the masking tape and continue job working. I'm gonna glue this. This is my polychloroprene glue, neoprene, so whatever it's called. We call it the yellow glue. I don't like to use the super glue for these jobs. I don't use it for that because it becomes like glass. It's too hard and the leather doesn't move. So the first wrap is gone. I mean, not gone, but done. Just let's do the second one. I need my polished hammer and to hammer it so it will be a little bit flat. Okay, so now I'm gonna let it dry for a few minutes, but I don't want to spend the time, so while it dries I'm gonna try to match the color as quick as it possible. So these are my paints that I use for that restoration. These are pink and beige, maybe beige pink, something like this. I'm not sure in the names of the colors, so everything for me pink and pink, I don't care. Too much. It's too light. I need more red. Or 2 drops. Some people ask me, how do I match the color? How do I mix the colors? I don't know, I just take the colors and mix it. Maybe that's because I have a lot of experience for that moment. And I see it, and I know how it will affect this or that color. It's still very light. I need some 1 drop of the black, or maybe not. No. I need more yellow. Color mixing is fun. Sometimes I can spend only about 2 minutes and reach the very rich color, and sometimes I can spend about 4 hours and didn't get anything. I don't know how does it happens, but it happens somehow. Now it's too yellow maybe or something. I need to make it not so bright. stupid me. So okay, I will come back when I will finish the color matching, because it can take me maybe more than I thought. I thought I will take it for 5 minutes because it's not so difficult. It's not a difficult color, but looks like it's gonna take me a longer time. Yes. It's going to be fun. So I did this Solgas, but I forgot to push the record button. So there's nothing to show. I would say just standard techniques for the Solgas. So let's continue to do the leather restoration. This is my 600 grit fine sandpaper. I'm gonna sand it. I'm gonna use my glue. This is polyurethane glue for the leather. I just apply it and sand it at the same time. I need my leather filler. I will apply a very thin coat in this car. There's a small scar in here, so I need to flat it, and then I will try to make it look invisible. I also will try to do that pattern of the leather surface. I'm not sure if I can do the pattern, but I will try. There are always some jobs that I'm sure I can handle it, I can do this, and it will not take a lot of time, or I'm not afraid of ruining this. And also there are some jobs that I'm not sure that I will do this as perfect as new. but I'm always taking all the jobs. So this is how I raise up my skills. I just take the difficult job and trying to do my best. When I was starting to learn how to do the leather restoration, there was not much of the information about this. There was not much materials for the leather restoration. And so we had to invent something and try and always something that is not suitable for the leather. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's not, but you never know until you try it. There is a leather glue that I need to remove the extra of the glue because I don't want it. I don't need it. The glue did his job. It penetrates deep in the leather, covered the fibers, and now the paint will lay on it much better. It will be smooth. And I'm sanding my scar. I remember my first steps. It was really difficult to sand, to match the color, and I could do this job for a few days. I could spend a lot of hours for color mixing. I could spend a lot of time for restoring the surface to make it smooth, to make it look much better than it was before. But now it takes me a little bit less time. Now I'm gonna apply a thin coat to see if I need more sanding and filling, or maybe I can leave it just like this. Yeah, looks like I can leave it. So there is a restoration almost done. I need to hide this scar with more paint, but not this time, but over a few minutes. I have a few friends that works only with the paintbrushes. I don't know, I think it's not so easy sometimes, at least for me. I don't know how to paint a big surface with the paintbrush. But this time I'm not gonna use my air gun. Because I need only a small area here and a small area here. And also I'm gonna show a little trick that saves me sometimes. I don't know how this dirt gets here. There's some dust. It drives me crazy sometimes. And now I need to remove the extra glue with my solvent. So it will block the fibers and it will allow me to paint it easy. Yeah, that's much better. So this one is done. Yes. Toes and heels. The heel is there. Is done. Now I need only to finish the toe, but it doesn't want to be finished. Okay, I think I'm done. Few steps. So here's the trick. I'm gonna use clear cream mixed with leather paint. It's going to be about 2 parts of the cream and 1 part of the paint. And I will just lightly cover my shoes with this cream. It's not the paint anymore, it's a cream. Mixed with the color that I need. I'm making it to blend the color because it's not a 100% color matched, about 95, 97, so I can see the difference. So to blend it, you make it look more originally, authentic. I just use the cream. This cream doesn't paint it, it just adjusts, I don't know how to say. It just make it look like it's the same color. No difference. I'm a little bit tired today. It's almost 12 hours I'm in shop. I wanna go home. But I have to finish this job because it should be done tomorrow and I'm not able to run to the shop very early. So it's done. Everything is done. Now I'm gonna let it dry for a few minutes and then I will finish it with the top coat and it will be ready for the top lifts. The last step is going to be the top lifts. Okay. Well, I have finished my task. I have done it for 2 hours instead of 3 hours that I have planned. Everything is done. This mini soul guards, top lifts, restoration of doors of the uppers, and the restoration of the heel wraps. Now it's ready to wear, but better if it will dry for a while. No, I mean about 5-6 hours. It was a extremely fast restoration. I was asked to do this as much quick as possible, and the customer have paid the double price for the job that I did today for 2 hours, and tomorrow in the morning she will take her shoes and fly on vacation with these new shoes. Okay, once again, thank you for watching, thank you for joining me, subscribe, thumbs up, and stay safe. Goodbye.